In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up and connect Supabase with Visual Studio Code for a smoother development workflow. To get started, open the Extensions panel in Visual Studio Code. Place your cursor in the search box to find Supabase-related tools. Next, type the extension name in the search field and select the official Supabase extension from the results so you can manage your Supabase projects directly within VS Code. Now, open the Extensions Options menu to explore available management options, such as uninstalling or changing its version. Switching to the Supabase dashboard, access your account menu and choose Feature Previews to review or enable new platform features. Return to the dashboard view to continue managing your project settings efficiently. On the Access Tokens page, generate a new token and give it a clear name to help keep your credentials organized. If you change your mind, cancel the token creation, and your settings will remain unchanged. Back in VS Code, open the View menu and select a new terminal to prepare for command line interactions with Supabase. Click inside the terminal, then enter the necessary commands to authenticate your Supabase CLI workflow. Try logging in using the Supabase CLI. If you see an error, troubleshoot by verifying your command format or checking your PowerShell setup. Whenever you create a new token in Supabase, use the Copy button to safely store the token for your VS Code integration. That's it. Now you know how to connect Supabase with VS Code. Happy coding!